Are you using your phone accessories the wrong way without even realizing it? From chargers to camera lenses, these everyday gadgets might be doing more harm than good if you're not careful. Let's fix that today. Here are 5 phone accessories you're probably using wrong and how to use them the right way. 1. Fast chargers. You're overdoing it. Fast charging is a game changer, but if you're using it all the time, you're wearing out your battery faster. Fast chargers heat up your battery, and over time, that reduces its lifespan. Fix it. Use a regular charger when you're not in a hurry, especially overnight. Save fast charging for emergencies. 2. Phone cases. Are you trapping heat? Thick or rugged cases might protect your phone, but during charging or gaming, they trap heat. That heat can slow down performance and hurt your battery. Fix it. Remove your case when charging heavily or playing long gaming sessions. Let your phone breathe. 3. Clip-on camera lenses. You're not aligning it right. Those wide-angle and macro lenses are awesome, but if they're not perfectly aligned with your camera lens, your photos come out blurry or distorted. Fix it. Make sure the lens is centered over your phone's actual camera. Zoom in slightly to avoid edge distortion and get sharper images. 4. Bluetooth earbuds. Bad audio? You're skipping this step. Ever feel like your wireless earbuds don't sound right or lag during gaming? Most people don't change the Bluetooth settings to enable high-quality audio codec like AAC or aptX. Fix it. Go into your Bluetooth settings and enable the best audio codec for your earbuds. The sound difference? Massive. 5. Power banks. You're charging them wrong. Power banks are lifesavers. But charging your phone and power bank at the same time? Big mistake. Also, using old or mismatched cables slows down charging or can overheat. Fix it. Use a high-quality USB-C cable and charge your power bank fully before you need it, not while charging other devices. Accessories are meant to make life easier, not ruin your phone. So if you learned something new today, drop a like and hit that subscribe button for more smartphone hacks. Got an accessory question? Let me know in the comments and I might cover it in the next video.